Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is the white beans recipe or navy beans, the Moroccan way. It's an easy recipe, delicious and nutritious, not that many ingredients. Usually we serve it with bread in Morocco, and when you try this recipe you will love it. Easy but so good. Your family will love this recipe. For the beans, we soak them the night before in hot water. The next day we drain them, put them in a pot, and I add here some olive oil. If you like vegetable oil, you can use it, but I prefer olive oil in my cooking. This is 1 pound of white navy beans, and I have here one big white onion chopped, 2 big spoons of tomato paste, we mix everything together. Then some parsley. You see here like almost like 2 spoons of chopped fresh parsley. Now for the spices, I have some black pepper. Also, if you like it spicy, you add some chili powder or cayenne pepper or green hot pepper right there. I add a little bit of cinnamon, not that much, a little bit on this recipe, because the cinnamon is very powerful and can change the taste of the whole recipe if you add a lot. Really like a pinch of cinnamon. And as you see here, I didn't add no salt. When I cook my beans, any kind of beans, I don't add salt in the beginning until all the beans are soft, tender, and done. If you add the salt in the beginning, the beans will take more time to cook. That's very important, this point. No salt. I mix everything together, and the water that I will add, it should be a hot water. I cook these ingredients for a few minutes until the beans get all the spices. The onions cook a little bit before that I add the water. Very important to follow the steps. We know that the beans bother some people on their stomach or the colon. For that I'm adding some lemon slices here. You can add it like that. You can enjoy your beans. If you add lemon slices, you will have less problem than if you don't add it. Then I add enough water to cook these beans, hot water. You can cook it like in a slow cooker or in a pot like that. But usually it will not take a long time if you soak it the night before. It doesn't take that much time to cook. Always add enough water. Then I cover it and let it cook in medium heat until it's really done and tender. As you see here, the liquid reduces and it's cooked. My beans are cooked. You can check if your beans are tender. You see, my beans are very tender right now. At this time, I will add the salt. When the beans are fully cooked, then I add the salt, not in the beginning as I said. And you taste it and check if you need anything. You see, my beans done. They look very good and really they taste very good. I hope that you try this recipe and let me know how did you like it. You will enjoy it, really. You will enjoy it, and family will enjoy this recipe if you like beans. If you follow it step by step, you see how easy it is. you will have a very delicious and nutritious dish. And this is my beans after I serve them on the plate. I put some chopped parsley as a garnish and some leaves of parsley to add some color. And that's it. Bon appetit. You can eat it like that or dip it with some bread, any way you like it. That was the recipe for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new recipe and new video. Enjoy!